It's been a while since I took the bike out in the snow, so it's about 6 in the morning. I get off at 3 o'clock, but I usually study afterwards and stuff, so by the time I leave and head home, it's gonna be like 8 o'clock. The snow's gonna be coming down, so I don't know if this is a good idea, but when does that ever stop me? My only qualm is I just got my bike serviced. I got it cleaned up, tuned up and everything. And now it's about to get dirty again with all this salt and crap. I've done it.
I know you're badass.
No, I'm not badass. I've done it. You're
an athlete, bro. I get it.
Just like you. You can relate.
I'm too old. I'm done.
Well, you used to do this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna be honest. It's really not that bad. It's really not. I got I'm wearing Crocs. I got some wool socks on, but yo, it's really not that bad, bro. Who the fuck does that, man? I really did not think it would accumulate so fast. I said, fuck it, man. I'm gonna put on some wool socks and some Crocs, and I'm gonna call it a day. And my toes are completely warm. Like, I figured I might have frostbite by now, but I'm telling you, man, wool socks and Crocs. That's the way to go, man.